Things you should know before starting Amazon affiliate marketing in 2024. 1. Amazon's affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program that allows you to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products. 2. Check the Amazon affiliate program requirements. Make sure you meet the basic requirements, be at least 18 years old, have a valid email address, and have a functioning website or social media platform. 3. Choose your niche. Select a niche with high demand and low competition. Research popular products and trends on Amazon. 4. Create high-quality content. Produce valuable content that attracts and engages your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. 5. Use unique affiliate links. Create unique affiliate links for each product you promote to track your commissions and earnings. 6. Disclose your affiliation. Comply with Federal Trade Commission (FTC) guidelines by disclosing your affiliation with Amazon on your website or social media platform. 7. Follow Amazon's terms and conditions. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's policies, including those on cookie duration, commission rates, and prohibited activities. 8. Build an email list. Collect email addresses from your audience to promote products and increase conversions. 9. Utilize SEO optimization. Optimize your website and content for search engines to improve visibility and drive organic traffic. 10. Stay up to date with Amazon's updates. Monitor Amazon's affiliate program updates, new product releases, and changes to their policies. 11. Focus on building trust. Establish trust with your audience by providing honest reviews, testimonials, and transparent communication. 12. Be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing requires time and effort to build momentum. Stay patient and persistent in your efforts.